Hello everyone, my name is Wilson Nguyen and I'll be presenting Intro to Arithmetic Sequences. So an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each term is a fixed number greater than the previous term. So here we have three sequences and we have to figure out which of these are arithmetic sequences. Looking at the first sequence, we can see that in order to go from negative 15 to negative 10, we have to add 5. From negative 10 to negative 10 to negative 5, we have to add 5. Negative 5 to 0, we have to add 5. And then 0 to 5, we have to, again, add 5. So because we're adding a fixed number, 5, this sequence is clearly an arithmetic sequence. Now we have to define the sequence. One way is that we can say that it is a sub n, where n denotes our index. And then n equals 1 to infinity. Now we can define it either explicitly or recursively. And for defining it explicitly, we could write a sub n is equal to the first term, negative 15, plus 5, 1 less time than the term we were at. Meaning for the second term, we had 5 once. For the third term, we had 5 twice, and so on. So we add 5, 1 less than the index we were at, meaning n minus 1 time. Now for recursively, a sub 1 is equal to negative 15. This is our first term. This is our first term. Then a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 plus 5. This means that each term is equal to the previous term plus 5. This is for n is greater than or equal to 5. Both of these are equally correct ways of defining the arithmetic sequence. Next, we do the same for the sequence. We can see that we were adding 2, 22, 24, 2, 24 to 26, 2, 26 to 28, and adding 2 again for 28 to 30. Because we were adding 2, a fixed number, this sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Now to define the sequence, again, we can either use explicit or recursive. So we write a sub n, and then n minus 1 to infinity. So for explicit, we write a sub n is equal to the first term, 22, plus 2, 1 less than the term we are at. And then for recursively, we write a sub 1 is equal to 22. Then a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 plus 2. This is for n is greater than or equal to 2. Again, this solution and this solution both are correct ways of defining the sequence. Now, for this sequence right here, we can see that we are not adding a fixed number. We are adding 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 4. 7 plus 11 is 4. Then 5. 11 plus 16 is 5. So clearly, this sequence is not an arithmetic sequence because we are not adding a fixed number. So that concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day.